Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss one question from multiple angle sum in trigonometry. The question is prove that cos A into cos 2A into cos 3A into cos 4A equals to 1 by 16 when A equals to pi by 9. And we have always to keep in mind that pi stands for 180 degree. So LHS, from LHS we start. So LHS equals to cos A into cos 2A into cos 3A into cos 4A. So what we do? We are multiplying and dividing the given expression by 2 sin A. Why? So that I can get 2 sin A into cos A and this is equals to sin 2A. Okay, this formula only we will apply here and we will get our result. So we are multiplying and then here we get 1 by 2 sin A into 2 sin A into cos A. We are writing this so much together and the left are cos 2A into cos 3 into cos 4A. So in place of this 2 sin A into cos A we are writing sin 2A into cos 2A into cos 3A into cos 4A. Okay, and now again this expression is multiplied and dividing the given expression by 2. So here 1 by 2 into 2 sin A and here 2 into 2 sin A into cos 2A. We are writing this together into cos 3 into cos 4A and here you know that 2 sin A into cos A is sin 2A. So here in place of A it is 2A, so it becomes sin 4A. So in place of 2 sin 2A into cos 2A, we write sin 4A into cos 3A into cos 4A. And now, again we multiply and divide the given expression by 2. And here we get 1 by 2 into 4 sin A into 2 sin 4A into cos 4A into cos 3A. Again, this here it becomes 1 by 8 sin A. And this 2 sin 4A into cos 4A, it becomes sin 2A, that is 2 into 4A, that is sin 8A into cos 3. And it is given to us that A equals to pi by 9, that means pi equals to 9A. Okay, so here in place of sin 8A, we are writing sin pi minus A because pi stands for 9A. 9A minus A is 8A, so it became sin 8A into cos 3A. Now, you know that sin pi minus A is equals to sin 180 degree minus A, that is equals to sin A. So in place of sin pi minus A, we will write sin A and this sin A and sin A is being cancelled. Then 1 by 8 is left. So 1 by 8 into cos 3A. 3A means 3 into A value we have pi by 9. So 3 3 is 9, it becomes pi by 3. So 1 by 8 into cos pi by 3. Pi means 180 degree. So it becomes 1 by 8 into cos 60 degree. Because 180 is cancelled by 3. And cos 60 degree value, you know, it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 8 into 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 16. That is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.